In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to leave a review as a guest on Airbnb. Now, leaving a review is an important part of the Airbnb experience. It not only helps fellow travelers, but also provides valuable feedback to hosts to help them improve their service. Whether your stay was amazing or left a little to be desired, sharing your experience can make a real difference. So let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Airbnb account. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the home page, which might look a little busy with all the listings and options around. But don't worry, this next step is really straightforward. Focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu button represented by 3 lines, or what's often called a hamburger icon. Go ahead and click on that button to reveal a list of options available to you. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Trips. This is where all your past and upcoming travel plans are neatly organized. Click on Trips and a new page will open up, showing you a list of your previous journeys. This is essentially your travel log within Airbnb. Now, if you've recently completed a trip and are eager to share your thoughts, this is exactly where you'll want to be. Moving forward, let's focus on the process of writing the review itself. You'll see a button labeled Get Started. When you click on it, you'll be directed to a section displaying your past reservations. It's here that you can choose the specific stay you want to review. It's important to note that if your trip happened within the last 2 weeks, you should easily find it listed here. This is a handy feature because it highlights your latest experiences, making them easy to access. Now comes the fun part. You get to express your thoughts and experiences. You'll scroll down a bit and you'll find the section where you can leave your review. This is the perfect opportunity to provide feedback on everything from the comfort of the accommodations to the responsiveness of your host. Remember, your insights are incredibly valuable, so feel free to be honest and detailed. Whether you're talking about sparkling cleanliness or an amazing view, or perhaps an issue that could be improved, your voice matters. And that's it. You've now successfully left a guest review on Airbnb. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Reviews are a great way to contribute to the Airbnb community, enhancing future stays for both you and other travelers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow guides. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.